When it comes to the highly controversial subject of how laundry should be separated for washing, members of my family have wildly differing opinions. So I installed these for IKEA Sortera bins.
They're supposed to be recycling bins.
Hovering gracefully over the washer and dryer, the backside might not be pretty.
But nobody gets to see this part, right?
There's one bin for whites, one for what we call cold colors,
You know, those blues and greens.
and warm colors, reds, yellows,
Including browns, of course.
and one for blacks.
And grays. So this way there's no fighting, there's no arguing, there's no room for personal